How's everybody doing? This is Bob Iacchino from Pat Trading Partners along with my co-founder Mike Arnold. And this is an educational update on LITECOIN for August 2nd. Let me turn it over to Mike to let you know what he's seeing on the charts. Mike, it's all yours.
Thank you very much, Bob. LITECOIN US dollar. Looking for higher price action. We combined this very sloppy double bottom because of all the sideways movement with some price action we got from a longer trend line trade above 43. Rallied up, found massive selling coming in above 43.50 multiple times. Yes, we're still looking for higher prices. We consider this whole trade wrong. It's now getting iffy because it's below the rotation zone on the 4 hour. If it does get below 41.21, you can start peeling some off for longs. And the trade is completely wrong if it closes below 39.74 or drops below 39.25. So what that means, let's say it closed at 40.02, then the next bar drops down to 39.25 before it closes. It's wrong. We're done with the trade. There is a very aggressive short that we're not interested in on a close below 41.56, which would target the 41 to 41.05 level, and then this slightly above this 39.74, but we're not interested in that. So for anybody concerned about their longs, right below this low, it's not looking good, especially if we get a close if we get below 41.18. If we do rotate back up, still the same targets in place. Okay, and if you're not long yet, if you do get especially a bullish move above this 43.19, there are some scalp plays. You'd be looking to start peeling some off around 43.50 to 43.80, and then if it continues to run, then the next target's higher, as we've said before, 44.15, the 45.07, the 45.15, the 45.40, and then the 46.04. Let me switch over to the daily and we can get a bigger perspective also on this. Okay, so here's the daily. And you can see where those levels we just talked about, which would actually return it to the bottom of this channel. There is a lot of support in here. So if it does get down here, even if this long is wrong, you can see the trend line we talked about. You can see the levels we talked about, which we consider this aggressive long being wrong. If it does drop down here and it does get below the 38.42, the next scan levels lower are 37.38 and 36.49. But all that is going into this massive support. Until we can really get below this, around this 36.22 area, and we'll possibly revise that if we do come back down, we're not looking for any shorts. There is lots of support. Remember, one of the things in trading is prior resistance comes support. You can see resistance, 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 breaks through, support, support. If it does come down, we're going to be watching for this for support. And if we do get a higher probability reversal pattern, that will also potentially trigger another long. Also, the rotation zone is now flat, which does not really concern us. When it goes flat wavy, this can go either way. Another thing that's not concerning us. So again, watch for a move back above this key point around this 43.87 area, and then for a potential run up to retest these highs. And if it does, again, drop down, especially below this 41.20 area, little concerns. Wouldn't be looking aggressively at longs until it got down below in this area and we got another reversal pattern. That's all we have for you tonight. Turning it back over to you, Bob.
Thanks for that, Mike, and thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out our other videos and hit like and subscribe if you like what we're doing. Cheers, everyone, and thanks again.